Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be discussing about how to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to cancel your Disney Plus subscription, all you gotta do is simply go to your App Store or Play Store. Once you're in your App Store or Play Store, you need to simply tap on your profile. After doing this, you can simply scroll down to payments and subscriptions. There you can find an option called subscriptions. So here you will find all the active subscriptions that are going on. So if you have your Disney Plus subscription, it will be shown in this section where you can also find the cancel subscription option. Simply tap on the cancel subscription option and you will be able to cancel your Disney Plus subscription anytime and anywhere. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.